Take a look at the back. I have not seen it yet in person. Whew. Oh, that is fire. Shout out to Lennon Barkley, who came up to me towards the end of my intake process and was like, I have another line name for you. I was like, The details on this jacket is just amazing. Today's collaboration is with Stuff4GREEKS. It is a Greek-owned, Black-owned business located in Atlanta, Georgia. Now, when you go online to S4G.com, you'll see that they have a whole bunch of items, but they specialize in their jackets. They have varsity style jackets, line jackets, track jackets, and they even have some sweaters and blazers too. And if you're a business or you're having like a family reunion, you don't have to get a Greek styled item from the site. You can get something that's personalized for your family or your business as well. And now let's open the box. Let's open the box. Well, the box is already open. I pre-opened it to not waste time on film, but I have not opened the package to see the wonderful details. And just so you know, Stuff4GREEKS is very professional. They map out everything on the website clearly so you can choose and make your jacket exactly the way you want it to. I corresponded back and forth with them via email, but if you go online, you can fill in everything. And then once you fill out everything, you literally get a proof, which is like a mock-up of what your jacket's going to look like. For example, on the back of one of my jackets, there's an audience. And when I got the first proof, I said, it would be great if the audience looked like me. Like, can you change their hair? Can you make them look more culturally diverse on the jacket? Okay, y'all, I'm just too excited. I'm trying to breathe. There's two jackets, so which one will we open first? Let's go from simpler jacket to more extravagant jacket. So I'm gonna open the one that is a little bit more plain. That looks in the package. Oh my goodness, y'all. Look, y'all, it even has the glittery letters. Also has the 10 pearls and the 2 rubies. So if you look closely, it has one of my line names, Superstar. The number 7, and it's glittery. On one of the sleeves, it says last created best design in cursive. And my current chapter, the Tenacious Theta Phi Sigma Alumni chapter. And on the bottom of my jacket, y'all, I'm literally a walking billboard, y'all. Straight up my YouTube channel and my YouTube name. Okay, y'all, let's go ahead and try it on. So just so you know, so you have an idea, I am 5'9" and 3/4. So I am just about 5'10". In clothes, I'm a solid size 16. So I got this jacket in the extra large. I'm pretty long. My legs are long, my arms are long, and as you can see, I have plenty of room. The best thing about the jacket, honestly, is like the comfort and the quality. It's like good quality, like not too thin, not too thick. So my second jacket that I got with them is in gold, and I decided to get that color because if you look at my closet, I have a leather, blue and gold, a blue, and a black. So I definitely needed a gold jacket. I definitely needed a white jacket. So let's go open it. Ooh, I am too excited, y'all. Take a look at the back. I have not seen it yet in person. Whew. Oh, that is fire. Oh my goodness. That is so fire. The details on this jacket is just amazing. It is so fire, y'all. It captured everything. Okay, so we're going to talk about the details on the sleeve. So we have Gamma Theta, my undergrad chapter. DKS, which is the grad chapter that I was in for like 3 years before I moved to Virginia. DBS, which is the chapter that I was a part of and based out of Norfolk, Virginia. Shout out to them. And my current chapter, Theta Phi Sigma. So as you can see, a very, very, very detailed sleeve with all my chapters. Then on the other sleeve, there is a pretty poodle. Then on the back, look at the attention to the details. How the audience has blue and gold on. Blue, gold, and some white. Look at her ruby earrings. Look at her ruby earrings. I got 2 rubies in the audience, basically, when you look at it. The walking billboard, the glittery number, the glittery letters. Wow, y'all. There's actually a special story behind this jacket because this name and this artwork and detail has nothing to do with each other. Shout out to Lennon Barkley, who came up to me towards the end of my intake process and was like, I have another line name for you. I was like, She was like, well, since it's the end of your process, you can use it as a big sister name if you want. And I was like, okay, what is it? And she was like, it's Superstar. And I was like, Superstar? I was like, you know my main line name is Drama, right? That's kind of like the same thing. And she was like, no, it's different. Drama is more about you putting on a show and entertaining folks. Superstar is your overall character and how you are as a person. And I was like, wow. So that's why I proudly wear this name on my jacket. This part has everything to do with drama, putting on a show and entertaining folks, as you can see by the audience. But Superstar is what I strive to be every day. A good person, someone makes good choices, works hard, focuses, pours into others, and helps other people to shine.